पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी खातीर आनीक झाडां कापपाच्या विरोधात पर्यावरण प्रेमी एकठांय आयल्यात. सांतिने चर्ची मुखार इतिहासीक दायज आशिल्ल्या झाडाच्या मालकान हे झाड कापपाक खर विरोध केला. पणजेची सोबीतकाय वाडोवपाक ह्या झाडांची गरज आसा. झाडां कापीत जाल्यार पणजेची स्थिती सामकी वायट जातली म्हूण आपूण हे झाड कापपाक स्मार्ट सिटीक कशीच संमती दिवचो ना म्हूण झाडाचो मालक एलन वालीस सांगता.
I don't want anybody to cut this tree as long it is a old rainforest tree. It gives lot of protection for the people and the welfare of the people. If like this it goes, we can't breathe any oxygen in life in future. The poor children will get not benefit from them wherever the rain it can be protected from this place, my dear people. So I will tell all the authorities to stop cutting these trees in future, and nobody should do it harm to this tree. We have the only tree here present in the city of Panjim.
उच्च न्यायालयात झाडां कापपा आड याचिका घालपी एवर्टिनो मिरिंडा आणि प्रज्वल साखरदांडे हांणी स्मार्ट सिटी वेवस्थापनेचेर फोग काडलो. जगभर झाडां साल्वार करपाचेर भर दितात जाल्यार पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीवाले झाडां मुक्त शहर करपाचो यत्न करता अशें म्हणीत तांच्यांनी तिडक उक्तायल्या.
We have gathered here today to save this tree. This is a 80-plus-year-old heritage tree, rainforest tree. Behind us, see the tree. And the way they've designed this road, this footpath was very small. Instead of taking the road to the left-hand side, this side, they have taken the road close to the tree. That means there is no planning. If they had planned the road properly, then it would have not affected the roots. See, they have already damaged the roots of the tree. They've cut. You can see that there are some roots which are cut. So, due to lack of vision of these people, they want to just build a road for the sake of building a road. They have to build a road taking into consideration the trees. The development has to be around the tree, not by cutting the tree. We have been telling them repeatedly that the trees have to be saved in the city, because to get this such a old, mighty 80-year-old plus tree is very difficult. They are saying we will plant 3 more trees or 5 more trees. It will not replace. It is a place for reptiles, birds, butterflies, insects, thousands of microorganisms. It's a rich biodiversity hotspot. You can't just overnight destroy. So it is important that we in the city, we save the trees, because there's so much of pollution in the city. People are dying of cancer and other lung diseases. See the dust levels. See the smoke levels. There's so much of vehicular traffic. So we need more trees. Instead of saving the trees all over the world, countries and people are trying to save the trees which are already there. Whereas we are going reverse. We are putting concrete everywhere. Concrete road, concrete footpath, concrete buildings. So who will come to Goa? If the very beauty of greenery of Goa is destroyed, nobody will come to Goa. This is all the plan, conspiracy to destroy Goa and make it a desert. Even in desert countries like Saudi Arabia and Kuwait and other countries, they are planting trees. And here we are going in the reverse. So these are senseless people who are planning for us. The planners, the smart city, people who are heading the organization, they have no sense. You just need common sense. Why it is such a big footpath? You could have brought the footpath little inside to save this tree. They can still do it, redesign this road. No planning. This shows very clearly that absolutely no planning.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान सिनियर रिपोर्टर नीरज नाईक.